Okay, guys, so back to the channel. Today we won't be doing any repairings or modifications to the car. Actually, I'm gonna just wash it. It's very dirty. I haven't washed maybe for around 3 or 4 weeks, and it's of course not modification. It's not repairing, but I just want to show you whatever I do to the car. It will be before and after the result, and that's all for now. As you can see, the rims are nearly gray. They're not black anymore. The car wasn't washed maybe around 3 or 4 weeks. And you can see here and here a lot of dust, dirt, and whatever you think about. Anyway, that's why we are here. So we continue. And of course, the last step is to use this brush for the tires. And maybe, yeah, we're almost finished with the washing, of course. We got dried after that. You have to be a little bit careful. You don't want this one on your paint. So yeah, nearly the edge, you have to go onto the tire. Again, carefully. And that's one tire done.
What's wrong? Can you tell me, please? Dear Lord, tell me please how long I will free. Give me time to enjoy this bliss. Give me sign, give me any bliss. What's wrong? Can you tell me, please?
I think I don't know you, know ya, know ya. I think I don't know you, know ya, know ya. I think I don't know you, I think I don't know you, I think I don't know you, know ya. I think I don't know you, know ya, know ya. I think I don't know you, know ya, know ya. I think I don't know you, I think I don't know you, I think I don't know you, know ya, know ya. I think I don't know you, know ya, know ya. I think I don't know you, know ya, know ya. I think I don't know you, I think I don't know you, I think I don't know you, know ya, know ya. I think I don't know you. I think I don't know you.
We finished, guys. The car is totally different. I really like the result. I spent maybe around 2 or 3 hours at the car wash. It was worth it. Yeah, the video, like I said before, it's not about modification or repairing. It's just about detailing or washing or whatever you think about. But I have to make videos like this one. I just want to show whatever I do to the car, I try to make a video of it. So anyway, in the next video maybe I will make some modifications to the car. I still have time to decide. That's for now. So yeah, thank you, and we keep going.